Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The project title is Self-Configuring Intrusion Detection System. Abstract of our project is, first, with the rapid expansion of computer networks during the past few years, the security has become the crucial issue for modern computer systems. A good way to identify malicious use is through monitoring unusual user activity. So, to identify these malicious activities, various data mining and machine learning techniques have been deployed for intrusion detection. The manual tuning process required by current systems depends on the system operators in working out the tuning solution and integrating it with detection mode. This paper proposed the self-configuring intrusion detection system to make tuning automatically. The key idea is to use the binary flipper as a basic module, which is a rule learner based on confidence rated boosting. The system is evaluated using the NSL KDD intrusion detection dataset. That is the dataset name. So, the experimental result shows the SCIDS, that is self-configuring intrusion detection system with slipper algorithm with better performance in terms of detection rate, false alarm rate, total misclassification, cost for example on NSL KDD dataset, then that often KDD. So, the diagram of our project, first we have to the data selection and load. So, in data selection, we have to first select the KDD dataset and load the dataset and cleaning the dataset. That is the null values. That values will be cleaned. Next, we go to the next process, data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, we have two processes we have to analyze. First one is the rule set. The second one is the false prediction. Rule set, we have to set the particular rule to identify the data and also predict the false data. Next, we have to the tuned value. That value, we have to get the value of tuned set of data. And next, we have to the result generation. So, the final result get from this process. Okay. This is home page of our project configuring intrusion detection system. First, I have to choose dataset. So, I click the data pre-processing. First I have to select the NSL dataset. So, now I go to browse. So, first I have to select the Intrusion. So, first I have to extract. Data extracted successfully, and now I go to view. It view the dataset values. So, this is the range, protocol, attack, input, output, recognized, all this. Okay, next I have to select the KDD dataset. Now I have to browse. So, now I get the into 3. So, I will extract. Okay, data extracted successfully. Now click I view. Okay. Now I go into the next step, rule set. So first I have to load the data set. It was loading. Okay, process completed successfully. Now I go to the rule set for data set. Okay, particular rule setting. Next I go to the NSL KDD data set. I have set through. Next I go to exit. Okay. Next I go to the false prediction. First I go to the data set. It was loading. Okay. Now I go to predict the value. And we predict for the NSL value. I got to predict the false prediction for both data set. So now I am going to exit. Now I go to the tuned set. So tuned confidence of the data set 1 and the tuned confidence of the NSL KDD data set. So now I need to process the value, detection rate and the false alarm rate. Next I am going to process the NSL KDD rate. Okay, now I am going to give the exit button. First I go to the now we click analyze button. So first I have to define the graph. It is for the false rate for NSL KDD dataset. Next KDD dataset I have the false rate 9239. Okay, now I click the exit.
Thank you.